Hi! Good morning! It's been a long time na hindi ako nakapag-jogging dito. So, nandito ako sa Nanzi Metropolitan Park here. So, kakatapos ko lang mag-jogging and I really miss this place. So, kakabalik ko lang dito kasi mostly doon ako nagja-jogging sa Yuchang Park. So, doon sa malapit lang sa dorm kasi 24 hours yung ilaw doon at yung schedule ko kasi is 2:30 a.m. to 11:45 p.m. So so I really miss this place. So for today, yung natapos ko is 21 kilometers. So that was easy pace lang muna kasi kakabalik ko lang mag-run. Galing kasi akong bakasyon sa walwal bakasyon. So minsan kailangan natin yon, di ba? So that's life. Let's just go with the trend.